This car really brings me back. What a beautiful car. 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. It is in beautiful condition. This car is showroom condition, runs and drives great. What makes it really nice is it's a 4-speed car. 4-speed, T-tops, AC, beautiful condition. What else could you want? It runs and drives great. I just had her out for a run. 350, original paperwork. Listen to that 5.7. She sounds awesome. Body straight as an arrow, laser straight as I like to say. Look at the interior. That 4-speed stick, original, just gorgeous. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.